Hey, what's going on? How you doing today? It's Saturday. It's been a long week, but we are out here getting it. Last week we were out at Shell Key. Great time on the water. It was a little bit rough. We went to the Pinellas Point boat ramp there. Normally we just kind of drive the boat off, but we had to use the lines to pull the boat off and get it back on. It's a little difficult. Today is much better though. So we're looking forward to it. We're gonna be heading out to Fort De Soto today. We're gonna anchor somewhere where there's not gonna be other boats. We've been anchoring next to other boaters the past few times. So today we want a little bit more privacy so we can relax. We got the mimosas, the White Claws, all that good stuff. We're gonna do some burgers here one of these days. We also do have plans to go to some other areas. We got some other video ideas that we want to do. We also do want to head out to Passage Key. That is between Egmont and Anna Maria. We've never been there. I've heard some good things about it, so definitely we're gonna check that out. But we're waiting for a nice flat day. We might do that. We might call in sick or something like that, and then go out to Passage Key. So let me let you talk to Kim for a minute, and then we're gonna get going. We're gonna make this happen.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. So it's starting to get to the point where the weather is optimal for me. Water temp 79, and the temp, what's the temp? Does this thing have the temp? Oh, anyway, it's starting to get hot here in Florida. Perfect beach weather. There's no clouds out here. A couple little ones, but it's gonna be a great day, and we'll see you out there on the water. Peace.
Pulling up to our secret spot where most likely we will be the only boaters here. Ooh, the water would be looking nice. Nice. This is looking good. What's the water temperature here, babe?
76. God, look at it. Oh.
So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and set our position so we're facing out, because if not, we're going to be facing the land. So not that we need 2 anchors, but we're going to use 2 anchors anyways. Oh, man. There you go, babe. Would you be able to...
Okay, watch this expert cleat hitch. Oof.
Oh yeah, see, I gotta do that part.
I didn't get it right, but that's all right.
Oh, you want to do that? Water feels great, 77 degrees, that is perfect. Yeah, I think my favorite is probably 83 is probably my favorite, but the 77, it feels really good here in the water. So we still don't have a drone. No drone still. Waiting for DJI to fix it. We haven't had a drone for a minute here, so it's been over a week. Went ahead, paid them. So just waiting for them to fix it and send it back, so there's no drone footage. Do you have a drone? If you do you have that DJI or that DJI Care? Next time I get a drone, I think it'd be a good investment, just because a lot of the drone flying that we do is over the water here. So that'd probably be a good idea. All right, we'll go ahead and I got my duties to do. We can go ahead and get set up here, and talk to you guys in a minute. Are any of y'all from Florida? If so, are you guys familiar with love bug season in May and October? Well, we are starting to get some love bugs out here now. Let me show you guys. Yeah. You remember that one time when they were we were out at Egmont and they were all over the place? We had a whole bunch. So the love bugs, they come out, during May and October, and it can be really annoying because there'll be so many of them. I remember times when driving, you get so many on your car. It was like raining love bugs. I mean, you drive into like a swarm of them, and there's just like thousands. Yeah, because they're called love bugs because they're like doing it.
We don't this is kind of a double-edged sword kind of thing, because like we don't want to popularize this area. To me, it's very confusing why more people don't come here, because it's so pretty, but we don't want to let the cat out of the bag.
Either way, we are good. Either way, cut that out. All right, so either way, we are good at finding spots. We've got other spots too. If this did get popular, I don't think it will. It's just because it's not really a boating destination. Most of the boaters want to be around other boaters.
Yeah, so you can't go on the beach right here too, where we're at, and that's, I think, maybe why it's not as popular now, because you can't go on the beach. Correct.
It's a bird sanctuary, and they'll come for you. Not like on some other places, because over on parts of Egmont too, it's a bird sanctuary, you know. So, but there's other places too that where we could find, you know, spots where there's not going to be other boaters. And the main reason is, you know, we want to be able to just relax, and I don't want to have to compete with music and, you know, have the music, you know, someone else pull up and start blasting their music, and that can happen where you're at a place and they just start blasting their music, and it's just really disrespectful, because everyone can have their music on at an acceptable level and enjoy it. But
well, there's even been places where we well, I think it was over at Egmont, where there was like a boat club that met up. It was like the Midnight Express, right? And all those giant ass boats, they start doing donuts out in front of us, and they were like showing off their really expensive boats. All right, that's cool and all, but
we should have the Starcraft deck boat club then. So you got a Starcraft deck boat. What kind of boat do you guys have? Leave a comment. Let me know what you have. You know, this is a great boat for our purposes. You know, it doesn't use a lot of gas, which I like. You know, one of these days we do plan on getting a different boat. But for right now, she's doing it.
She sips gas, just sippy sip sip, sips gas. It's really, really maneuverable. It's really portable. We can throw her on a trailer and go anywhere. Yeah, oh, like squishy.
So we're still here at Fort De Soto. We've got the tide going out. Take a look. Water's much more shallow here now than before. Yeah, I can see the anchor over there. It's almost on shore, but so we're just kind of chilling and relaxing here. How's the water temperature for you though?
Just like bath water. Float away.
Let you float away there.
Can you help me?
What do you want me to do?
Get this.
This is embarrassing. You know, I don't know what she's doing. So I think the float has a hole in it, so she'll probably be buying a new one. No big deal. We usually go through one of these a season, but the idea is just to have a float to be able to attach to the boat and get this thing packed up. We're gonna head on back. It's been a wonderful day on the water here at Fort De Soto. definitely check it out. If you're in Florida, you're boating in Florida, check out Fort De Soto. This is our favorite spot, really, in this area to go to. We'll show you a little bit of footage on the way back in. I'm sure we're gonna go buy bunces for sure. It's gonna be nice and busy over there. And we'll see y'all in the next one.